Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make a watermark for YouTube videos using phone. Alright, let's begin. First, open any type of preferred browser on your mobile device and search for YouTube. After that, sign into your account and make sure to request the desktop site on your browser. Once done, this type of interface will appear on your screen. Simply tap on the profile icon at top right corner and then open the YouTube Studio in a new tab. This is important because if you just tap on the Studio option, it will redirect you to the Studio app, and we don't want that. Now, tap on the Continue button and YouTube Studio will appear. Here, tap on the three lines icon at top left corner and then select the customization feature from the menu. Next, scroll down to the bottom and there will be a section named Video Watermark. Here, you just need to zoom in a little bit and then tap on the Upload button. Then, upload the watermark icon of your choice and crop it if you want. Once you're done with all of that, get to the top of the page and tap on Publish to save the settings. So that's basically how you can make a watermark for YouTube videos using phone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.